dropping off our bags right now. Got all the luggage. Hi.
Hopefully no one steals our stuff.
Don't say that. Knock on wood.
I wouldn't doubt it here. Okay.
No.
What?
Jackson, say hi.
Say hi. This is our room.
Hi.
I'm out on the balcony. Come out outside for a second. Keep going.
Just make sure there's... Oh!
Yeah. How do you like that? How do you like that? It smells. It smells like a massive, massive fart over
Oh,
there.
it's awful.
How bad is that? What is that?
Ass is what that is.
I don't know if it's coming from the water or.
From you.
I swear.
You did it.
I don't know. That's why I said stay out there for a second, and then I said come in because I wanted to get your expression on camera. Brutal. How bad's that smell?
That's awful.
Isn't it awful? And that is what is it? What city is that over there?
It's pretty nice Venice.
It's not Venice. Oh, it is Venice. That is Venice. That is Venice. Yeah, what am I talking about?
Jackson, say hi. Hi. Oh, look at the water. Are you gonna have fun out here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's nasty.
It is.
In antiquity,
Party animal.
venerated as the mythological
Hey!
birthplace of Apollo,
Yeah.
the god of sun. Enjoy a selection of classic.
Do you need help to pick it up?
With a glass of ouzo to toast a great day.
This is what I get to deal with all day. Say hi. Hi.
Very nice. We're setting sail. We're leaving Venice. Battery's gonna die.
And her skin, like the dryness, it is just like, yeah. People don't see that when they're like in their 20s and 30s. Then even in the 40s, you can get by.
Are you gonna go on the rock climbing wall?
Me?
Yeah. There's a rock climbing wall?
Oh, I want to try it. Oh, with my back shoulder.
Did you do any research on the ship?
No. Couldn't tell you anything about this ship.
ADT knows everything.
Really?
She has pages and pages.
I love those roofs. Hey, those clay roofs. Kind of looks the same as the other side. Yeah, St. Marco Square, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is serious money right there.
Personal yacht, eh?
Someone, where is that? Someone's got some big money right there. Someone's got some big money.
That's Brad Pitt. Angelina got
And another one.
Right.
Right now.
We are gonna see if I can attract a seagull in my hand.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Do it. Let's do it. Hold it out there.
I gotta get it back here.
Oh my god. Super special, this one right here.
Come on.
Give him a longer one.
Come on, play.
Oh, isn't that beautiful though?
What's beautiful? The seagulls?
See that?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I did get it. I got it. I can't believe that. Look at the seagull whisperer.
It's gotta be right there as soon as you see it.
Oh my god! This is unbelievable.
Come on,
I can't believe it. That is hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come on, Lucy, give me some more. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna start
Oh
showing.
my god.
Look at that. Hey, look at that picture.
That's good. That is awesome. The view from our balcony. Super nice. Pretty cold though. What's going on?
Jackson.
What's going on? Putting on a little show down there?
Thank you.
It does. Whoa.